Hey guys, this is Lucy, and today I'm going to show you how to fix horizontal or vertical green line on laptop screen. So first you need to go to your taskbar and right click on Start. In this pop-up, you need to click on Device Manager. After that, a new window will open up. Here you need to expand display adapters right here. And you need to right click on your graphics driver here, just like that. You might be having some other options like Intel. Just right click on that and click on properties. Here go to driver and click on rollback driver, then click on OK. After that, restart your computer and you can try another method if that didn't work. So you need to go on same location, device manager, right click on your graphics and click on update driver. Here you will see two options. First click on first option. After this is completed, then click on the second option, which is browse my computer for drivers. Here you need to click on next. So after it shows you you're up to date, you need to hop on to the next process, which is uninstall and reinstalling your graphics drivers. So you need to right click on this and click on uninstall device, click on uninstall, and after that again go to your device manager and click on actions. Here you need to click scan for hardware changes and it will automatically install your graphics driver. So you can also try an external monitor for this. And at last, you can also update your BIOS. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.